Circle. Circle have angle 360 degree. Semicircle have angle 180 degree. Major arc more than 180 degree. Minor arc less than 180 degree. Central angle x degree. Inscribed angle BAC is inscribed angle. Measure of angle ABAC is equal to measure of arc BXC divided by 2. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. Intercepted arc angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. By inscribed angle theorem, measure of angle ACB is equal to measure of arc AXB divided by 2. Measure of angle ADB is equal to measure of arc AXB divided by 2. Measure of angle AEB is equal to measure of arc AXB divided by 2. Therefore, angle ACB congruent angle ADB congruent angle AEB. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. By inscribed angle theorem, measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of arc AXC divided by 2. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Practice set 3.4. In figure 3.56, in a circle with center O, length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following: angle AOB, angles ACB, arc ABC, arcs ACB. From figure, chord AB is equal to radius OA is equal to radius OB. Therefore, triangle AOB is a equilateral triangle. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle ACB is equal to half measure of arc AB is equal to half into 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Measure of arc AB is equal to 60 degree by definition of central angle. Measure of arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc AB is equal to 360 degree minus 60 is equal to 300. Cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral whose all vertices lie on the same circle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Angle BAC plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. If vertex of angle is in the interior of circle, measure of angle ACB is equal to measure of arc AXB plus measure of arc DYE divided by 2. If vertex of angle is in the exterior of the circle, measure of angle ACB is equal to measure of arc AXB minus measure of arc DYE divided by 2. In figure, quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. Side PQ congruent side RQ. Angle PSR is equal to 110 degree. Find measure of angle PQR, measure of arc PQR, measure of arc QR, measure of angle PRQ. Solution: quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, measure of angle PSR plus measure of angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. 110 degree plus measure of angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle PSR is equal to 110 degree. Measure of arc PQR is equal to 2 in bracket 110 degree is equal to 220 degree. Inscribed angle theorem. Chord PQ is equal to chord RQ. Therefore, measure of arc PQ is equal to measure of arc RQ is equal to x. Measure of arc PQ plus measure of arc QR is equal to measure of arc PQR. X plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 220 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 220 divided by 2 is equal to 110 degree. Angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measures of angle R and N. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Therefore, measure of angle R plus measure of angle N is equal to 180 degree. 15x minus 13 degree plus 4x plus 4 degree is equal to 180 degree. 5x plus 4x minus 13 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. 9x is equal to 180 degree minus 9 is equal to 189. X is equal to 189 divided by 9 is equal to 21. X is equal to 21. Therefore, measure of angle R is equal to 92 degree. Measure of angle N is equal to 88 degree. Prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Proof. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, by converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. In figure, measure of arc NS is equal to 125 degree. Measure of arc EF is equal to 37 degree. Find the measure of angle NMS. Solution. Vertex of angle is in the exterior of the circle and intercepts arc EF and arc NS. Measure of angle NMS is equal to measure of arc NS minus measure of arc EF divided by 2 is equal to 125 minus 37 divided by 2 is equal to 88 divided by 2 is equal to 44. Therefore, measure of angle NMS is equal to 44 degree. Questions to solve for homework is given below. Thank you.